How to get 4,000 hours watch time fast in 2021. If you're the one who want 4,000 watch time fast, so this video is for you guys. Because in this video, I will tell you a cool trick to get fast watch time. So, for applying this trick on your channel, first complete these 2 requirements. Number 1, fast internet connection. Second, personal computer or laptop. After completing this requirement, let's move on to the main trick. So let's get started. Open browser in your computer. After that, open YouTube and log in to your channel. After that, create a playlist which is below 1 hour, so YouTube will never detect this trick, and your watch time will be considered. So create a playlist first. After that, sign out your YouTube account. Now go to browser history, and clear all time history data. After that, close your browser and reopen it. And click private window. Then go to YouTube. Search your YouTube channel. Go to your playlist, and play all. Then change video quality, select the lowest one. And change speed of your video to save time. Don't worry, YouTube will count your video total duration. After that, duplicate the tab into 10or 20 times, so you will get more watch time in just few minutes. But make sure, try only 2 and 3 times in day with 1 hour's gap, so YouTube will never prevent your watch time into spam. So that's all. If you are like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, stay healthy and stay safe.